Alright, on this episode of Dave's Cooking Show, we're going to do some sun-dried tomato pesto. Already in the food processor, I have 2 cloves of garlic that I minced up. That's a cup of fresh basil leaves. And around a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And then you want an 8.5 ounce jar of sun-dried tomatoes. And yes, oil included. So everything in the jar goes in there, as stubborn as this damn thing wants to be. Oh, and on the stove at some point, you should have about 12 ounces of penne pasta going. And salt and pepper to taste. If you want it a little spicy, add a pinch of red pepper flakes. And also on the side, you want to have about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of olive oil. You'll see why. All right, and then you just want to pulse all this stuff together, taking time to kind of knock everything back down off the side of the food processor. And this is where the oil will come in handy, if depending on the consistency you like. Like, I think that's just a little too chunky. So I ended up adding about a teaspoon of it. And you want to kind of stop and scrape things off the side and shit. Kind of just slowly adding the oil in for the little drain spout my food processor has. I think I went with about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons. Just, go to the consistency you like. And then at the end of it, you should have something that looks like this. By this point, your pasta should be damn near done. This is a very, very quick dinner. If you have everything ready to go, literally the longest thing it takes is to make the pasta. Okay, our 12 ounce of penne is done. But again, you can use whatever pasta shape you want. It literally doesn't matter. And also, make sure you reserve about a cup of the pasta water, just in case you need it to get a little thinner, a little more rich, creamy, that type of thing. Basically, it's just to help coat the pasta. Anyway, you want to spoon your pesto mix out. Okay, and then you just want to keep stirring this around till everything's all coated. It's not quite coating the way I want. So again, you just add pasta water till you get your desired consistency. And basically, you just stir this until you have something that looks appetizing. And that's pretty much it for this one. Sun-dried tomato pesto. Done.